Hi, my name is Lynn with Healed by the Light, and today's workshop is all about manifesting success. Manifesting success is utilizing the law of attraction to bring about success in your life. We get to be deliberate co-creators with the universe. So today, we'll be setting an intention with the universe and ourselves with a mission statement. We'll be vision boarding and then painting our vision. And we'll bring it all home with a group hypnosis where we get to experience our deepest desires as though they've already happened. And then we'll end the day with a beautiful sound healing to raise our vibration and help us to feel great as we step forward to fulfill our dreams in this new year.
I've been coming to Lynn's retreat and events for almost like three years now, and every time I go to her retreat, something so amazing and special happens in my life. It's just an awesome feeling to have such a great mentor and coach to be able to guide you on what you're going to be able to do for the upcoming year and beyond that.